Hey everybody, I'm here at a location that has a stacked washer and dryer. The washer is a front load washer, which makes this extra challenging. The dryer is over there. You'll probably need a second person to pull the whole unit out of where it is and lift the dryer up and off of the top unit. The dryer is a lot lighter than the washer down below. You disconnect the dryer and set it aside. Come back to your washer. Make sure it's unplugged. Probably a good idea to turn the water off and either tilt it back or tip it over on its side so that you can access the bottom. And the bottom is one way to take care of this issue. The other way would be to take off the whole front, but to take off the whole front you'd have to take off the top panel, the control panel, the front, and you'll have easier access to the components on the inside. But then it's more work to take everything apart. So if you can work on things down here, you'll have to remove this boot, which was up here, connected like this somehow, and unclamp it, pull it off. Inside the boot, you'll find find a better light here. You'll find a little plastic cup that's designed to catch big objects like coins and stuff. And so this boot in particular has a bunch of gunk and stuff in there and hair. And this washer was clogged after a rug was washed. And so that's a very common issue. So hopefully when we clean this out, put it back together, it works. Thanks for watching.